Why are some snakes venomous? We all know that snakes are reptiles and that lots of them are venomous, but why are they venomous? And where do they store their venom? Snakes use their venom to defend themselves from enemies and also to attack their prey. In both sides of their head, they have some bags called venom glands. And it is here where they store their venom. These bags are linked to their fangs through hollow tubes. So when they bite something, they inject venom through their fangs. Bright-coloured snakes are the most venomous. But who do you think has the strongest venom? The hatchlings or an adult? Well, it's the hatchlings! Although it seems untrue, the venom in a hatchling is much more powerful than their parents. Although venomous snakes have a very bad reputation, only some of them attack humans if they feel threatened. Also, they are super important for the balance of nature. And according to some university studies, in the future, their venom could be useful to make medication, which could cure illnesses and save lots of lives. I'm starting to understand why lots of people love snakes. Goodbye, happy friends. See you in the next happy learning video.